Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for HBAR price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis starting on the weekly chart for the bullish and bearish scenarios. Overview, we have of course here a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 finishing wave A or a wave 1. After both case scenario you got 3 waves toward the downside and of course continuation again of course correctively, meaning of course an extended corrective wave as W, X and a Y. After this, you would like to see, of course, a move toward the upside where we have a 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5 continuation for higher in case we are in an A, B, and a C, or in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for even higher prices. Your bearish scenario, of course, where you have to consider this one additional leg here where we started, of course, as W. You're looking at 3 waves toward the upside with an X and you're looking for a wave Y toward the downside again. Of course, to finish a longer correction here, of course, as W, X, and a Y. Higher possibility, of course, for the bullish. We have double, of course, a bullish scenario with an impulse here. We didn't saw, of course, the reply for this impulse in a wave C again. So if we dive a little bit deeper inside it on the daily chart, we can see on the daily that we have potentially, of course, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. You're currently in a wave 4 here, very long sideways, a wave 4, A, B, and a C. Potentially finished in the blue box as expected here and perfectly hit, of course, as usual. And then we move to the upside. For a wave 5 here, potentially we have a wave 1. We're gonna estimate this inside it. If we move on the 4-hour chart here, on the 4-hour chart, we can see, of course, that we have an impulse 1, 2, 3, and then currently, of course, arranging potentially for a wave 4 in a triangle, very characteristic, of course, wave 4, and especially in HBAR, which it likes so much sideways, as we can see. So potentially we're looking here at a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have already the count. Let's move inside it on the 1-hour chart then. As you can see on the micro here, we can have, of course, a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. And this, of course, this wave 4 belongs, of course, to this area in case we are bearish, of course. In case we are bearish, this is your wave 4. We are coming to the bearish again. But in case we are bullish, because of course we have hit perfectly the blue zone, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the upside. Now, currently we are still, of course, ranging for this wave 4. And basically here after this kind of an impulse, but actually it is more like 3 waves. We didn't get our 5th wave. Therefore, of course, it has transformed into a triangle, definitely. And as you can see, we have hit the invalidation of bearish, meaning, of course, there is no bearish anymore. And we're looking here definitely for a triangle. Here we go. This is our triangle, A, B, C, D, E. And currently, of course, we are in a wave E toward the downside. So A, B, C, D, and a E. And potentially continuation for one more leg toward the upside for a wave 5. Now your target for a wave 5 can be the following, taken from the wave 1 here to the wave 3. And we get, of course, the following target in the blue box again, of course, in the 0.618 and the 1-to-1 fib level, of course, for this blue box. We would like to see here a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, sorry, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 toward the upside. Well, this looks for me as an impulse, by the way. And I took it, of course, automatically. But in case that this is your 1, 2, yeah, we can finish here as truncated or running flat here, 3 waves down, or truncated ABC flat. And then, of course, moving in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, it's still looking like a triangle as well. It can be that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unfolding exactly from here. So we would like to see, of course, higher prices as well for HBAR. If we take a look at KGT for HBAR on the 5-minute chart, you can see, of course, that we have kind of a divergence here with a weaker bullish signal, of course. As you can see, it is a weak one, but potentially it can start, of course, kind of a bullish scenario here that it might move toward the upside, especially that you have a bigger divergence here for the bullish that it might have played, but of course it is already played for the wave D. And then you got your wave E, but currently you start to get, of course, a new move toward the upside, especially if we move a little bit lower. We might get a bullish signal again for your wave 2 here and launching or triggering your wave 3 toward the upside. Very nice. However, don't forget that we are on the weekend right now, and of course the boring range might start, of course, and of course it is very low possibility that we get an impulse in the weekend. So of course be careful and trade safe, guys. That was it for HBAR. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.